Stop wasting money on air fresheners. This is the little known secret that makes wealthy homes smell luxurious without spending a dime. And the truth is, the industry doesn't want you to know about these three ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Watch closely and pay attention because this step is important. Take a firm lime and make 2 cuts in it. I start by cutting it like this, but without going all the way through. Just a small opening, enough to release the lime's natural fragrance. Now turn it and make another cut across it to form a cross. Next, take a small container and place the lime inside. I'm going to use 3 limes so I can show you 3 different variations of this same trick. And they all work amazingly well. Now you'll need some coarse salt. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of pink salt over each lime. The salt helps release the aromatic compounds and extends the lime's freshness, creating a much more effective natural diffuser. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol to each lime. The alcohol extracts, intensifies, carries, and preserves the lime's aromatic compounds, turning it into a much stronger and longer-lasting natural fragrance. For the first lime, I'm going to use fabric softener. Add just half a capful. Any brand will work, but if you can find a concentrated hypoallergenic one, it's even better because the scent will be stronger and last longer. For the second lime, I'm adding a handful of whole cloves. Besides the lime's natural aroma, cloves can help repel mosquitoes and other insects. They really don't like that smell. For the third lime, I'm going to add a few drops of fragrance oil. Choose any scent you like. I like placing these containers throughout my home because each one works best in a different area. For example, I keep this one in the bathroom where the lime's citrus scent helps neutralize unpleasant odors. I place the second one in the living room because the fabric softener releases a warmer, more welcoming fragrance. And I keep the last one near windows because in addition to its pleasant aroma, the cloves help create a natural barrier against insects. Save this so you can try it in your own home later because I'm absolutely sure you're going to love the results.